to She's a Mad Gardener. I am out back today and I wanted to show you guys a way to create something for your home, a decor item for your home using something from nature. So let me show you what I found on a walk with my son. Also, if you're new to the channel, thanks for joining us, and be sure to hit the subscribe button so you know about my videos. And if you're an old friend, make sure you've hit that notification bell and you'll get a notification once I upload a new video. Okay, we found this old piece of wood back in an area where they're building in our area. I live in kind of one of those cookie cutter suburban housing communities. And so we found this piece of wood. I brought it home. It's maybe a little bit over 3 feet long. I gave it a really good scrub in the sink inside. Found these holes where we had ants and all kinds of stuff living in there. So I treated to get rid of that. So next thing I think I'm gonna do is give it kind of a light sanding just to knock off some of the loose pieces. And then I'm gonna go through with that Rejuvenate for cabinets. I use that on a lot of my furniture. But I'm going to go through and kind of seal this up and clean it up a little bit with that product. And then I'm going to show you a really cool way to turn this into a candle holder for your table. I started with just a simple sanding block. I already had it at my home. I didn't go out and buy anything special. You can use sandpaper if you have a hand sander, even an orbital sander, something along those lines, just to knock off the edges. I'm not trying to smooth this entire thing out. I did pull off a few pieces that were kind of splintered, just to make sure it didn't scratch up my table or anything along those lines. Once I was done, I pulled out the vacuum cleaner and I sucked all the dust off of it just to make sure that it was nice and clean and taken care of. Do you guys see that container of ranunculus on the right side of the video? I got that at Lowe's not too long ago for less than $15, and it had 4 different types of ranunculus plants in the one design. So I'm waiting for the weather to warm up just a touch, and then I'm going to be planting those out in the garden. And apparently Buffy approves of this design. I used a cordless drill and a 3/4 of an inch drill bit. It actually drills out a hole in that space. The reason I did 3/4 of an inch is because that is how wide the candles are that I'm going to be putting into this. And so I basically just guesstimated where I wanted the candle holders to go. I wanted it to be natural and soft. I did not want them to be perfectly measured out, but that's up to you. And it also just depends on what your piece of wood ends up looking like. Once I had drilled all the holes, I went back and went to each one and made sure I drilled down at least 1/2 inch so that the candles would stay in there really well. Here I am using the Rejuvenate. I use this on multiple pieces throughout my home. I do have several antique designs, and so I like to use this to keep the wood moist and cleaned up. And you can buy this at Home Depot, Walmart, all different kinds of places. I'm sure you can order it online. And I just use the rag that it comes with to apply it, but you can also use a soft rag. You can use any kind of paper towel, something along those lines as well. It goes on really dark, but as it dries, it lightens up and it does seal the wood. You obviously can use some kind of spray sealer, or if you have a water base or something on hand already, use that. Don't go out and buy something special for this. I'm just trying to seal up the wood, make it a little bit less dry looking and a little bit more rich looking. And for the final product, I added these taper candles that I purchased on Amazon. I purchased them all the same length, and then I used a knife to gently trim off the bottoms so that I would have a variety of sizes in the candle holder. I thought that looked better than them all being the same. I did kind of a spring design with a light runner and some sola flowers. Sola flowers are flowers that are made out of wood pieces. And these beautiful candle holders are actually from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, look how fabulous they are. They're the colored glass on top and the gold at the base. I did want to show you one other option, so I switched out the entire candlescape to more of a fall tone. This particular runner is from Santa Fe and is handmade. My husband and I picked it up during a vacation a long time ago, prior to quarantine, of course, and I used some of those wood beads from Hobby Lobby, and then some more of the candle holders from Dollar Tree. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this simple project. It can be adjusted and made to work with your decor, but I just thought it was such a fun way to utilize something from outside. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be.